Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Siyasha, and if you are new here or if you have already watched my video, welcome back to the channel. And we are going to go to Miniso. Let's see what cute aesthetics we find. So probably I'm not going to do the regular what do you get in Miniso. Everyone knows what they get in Miniso. But I wanted to see the new collection, like basically the aesthetics that I saw on Instagram about Harry Potter and Stitch. So let's go, let's explore. बस वही explore करना है, so let's go. So Miniso had this cute aesthetics. I'll attach a video over here, videos over here. They had really good aesthetic Harry Potter stuff. Like they had books according to each houses. They had mugs. They had even the outfits for Halloween. If you like to wear these kind of costumes, they had that. They had the hat. I can't remember what that hat is called, but yeah, definitely they had that hat. Really cute aesthetics in Harry Potter. Like they had costumes that, if you bottles, actually theme bottles, a theme tumbler. The tumbler was for 1000 to 1200 rupees, but I find it worth because I feel that it is 1 to 1.5 liters का water capacity है उसकी, and I feel for a theme bottle, especially good quality theme bottle, it's a good price if you want to go for aesthetics. But other than that, I feel that everything was a bit too expensive. मतलब small wallet 500 was okay, but 900 and 600 900 is not worth again for me. But if you are down for this cute aesthetic stuff, which I'll play after this video, please buy it. It's really good. I don't know, it was just the store connection. So I went to Phoenix ka Miniso, and the store had really not so good soft toys. Like Stitch soft toys were very small, and it was overpriced again. It was 1100 for such a small soft toy. But apart from that, I don't know, I didn't like the soft toys. Usually I am a person that I don't play with soft toys, but these days I'm enjoying having soft toys with me. So when I went to Miniso, it's never that I don't like soft toys. I always try to buy one of them because I really like Miniso ka quality soft toys. So, but this time I didn't. So yeah, the soft toy part is skipped. Also, द फन फैक्ट, अब जैसे तुमको लबूबू का सरप्राइज पैक मिलता था, वैसे अब तुमको स्टिच का भी मिलने लगा है अटैच, एंड हैरी पॉटर का भी मिलने लगा है. द बॉक्स हैज रिटन हैरी पॉटर, हेलो किटी एंड ये सब था उसमें, बट स्टिच का भी मिलने लगा है. तो इफ़ यू आर जस्ट डाउन फॉर एक्सपीरियंस एंड यू डोंट वांट टू बाय योर लबूबू, please don't buy Labubus, it doesn't make sense. Please go for Stitch, they are cute instead of those. And yeah, they were really, like, I wanted to buy, but then again it was for 800, and 800 for a keychain experience, not that. See, for me it is very practical shopping. I do fall for aesthetics, but it should be practical somewhere. Also, this time they had this skincare range, which I was shocked. Like specifically not only the tools and applicators, but they had body scrubs. I don't know if this is old thing or new thing, because मैंने ये 2-3 महीने पहले नहीं देखा था Miniso में. I do usually go to Miniso और मैंने नहीं देखा था, but they had really good skincare. Next time when I'll go, I'll try those skincare. But yeah, they had body scrub, rice face scrub. They had body washes. Also, they had started makeup collection. Like पुराना वाला था, but they had added new launches. Like वो makeup revolution या muscular का 4 वाला palette आता है, वैसा glam वाला palette, contour face kit type वाला palette. But it was not good quality. मैंने try किया swatch करके, कुछ swatch दिख रहा नहीं था हाथ पे. Miniso has makeup collection, but कैसा है ना, मतलब I have never really enjoyed Miniso का makeup collection because the quality is really not good. उससे अच्छा अगर तुम उतना ही spend करना चाहते हो तो you can go for Mars, Swiss Beauty, Insight, Recode. तो ये सारे ब्रांड ज़्यादा अच्छे है, बेटर है एंड अच्छा क्वालिटी और शो ऑफ या पे ऑफ करता है तुम्हारे मनी को. इट मेक्स सेंस टू बाय दोज, बट आई डोंट नो, आई हैव नेवर एंजॉयड मिनीसो का मेकअप कलेक्शन दैट मच. सो या, I have just watched that new palette for you guys, but otherwise I don't like Miniso ka makeup. Buying from Miniso, see, even I buy and even I fall for their aesthetics and theme collections. But also, like, my suggestion while buying from Miniso is that sometimes what happen is you go into store and you just keep buying, and then after coming home you realize अरे यार वो इसका खरीद लिया. So उससे अच्छा keep a price point that okay, if I'm going to buy a aesthetic book, it should be 400 to 500. If I'm going to buy a purse or sling, it should be of 800 to 1000 rupees. So keep your budget ready. Check online कि तुमको वो मिल रहा है क्या, वो aesthetics का सस्ते में मिल रहा है क्या, and then buy. Just don't blindly go into it. But हाँ, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा splurge करना है तो कर लो यार. It's your choice, your money. So yeah. This was my final rant about Miniso, and if you like the rant and the display of Miniso, do like the video and please subscribe, because मेहनत तो कर रही हूँ ना कंटेंट बनाने में, तो थोड़ा तो अप्रिसिएशन बनता है तुम्हारे तरफ से भी. So yeah, please do subscribe. Do let me know where I can correct myself or where you think I can improve. And also Miniso, whether you like Miniso or you don't like Miniso, or you find useful or waste of money. So comment that and let me know. If you want to try something else, I'll go and I'll make video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.